Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to disable the Soundaktor on my 2019 Volkswagen Golf R using VCDS. So we have that plugged in and the ignition is on. So what we're going to do now is select control module, click that, and then down here in the bottom left type in A9 for the address word and click go. Then click on adaption 10. Then from the drop down box right here you'll see this volume of structure borne noise actuator. Click that. There's the percentage. It's at 100% right now, so you can tweak that and put in whatever value you want. I'm going to put it at 0 because I do not want any sound at all, or any fake sound I should say, when I put it in normal or race mode. So I'm putting 0 in there. And then go ahead down the bottom, click do it. And then confirm with yes. And click yes for this. Click OK. There we go. Stored value 0%. So that is it. So we're done. Hit exit. And that completes it, guys. So now we can go ahead and shut this off here, unplug the VCDS controller, and we can take it out for a drive, put it in race mode, and see if we don't have any fake engine noises, which would be great. Alright guys, we're in the vehicle here. I'm in eco mode right now, but once I get out on the highway here, I'll put it in race mode, see if we have any interior fake engine noises. Alright, let's try it. Race mode. It's quiet. No more fake engine noises, so that's a good thing. Eventually I want to get an exhaust system on this, and I want to hear that, not the fake engine noise. So this is a good improvement. Well guys, that is it. I hope the video helped you out. Hit that like button if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.